What's up, guys? This is the night before the trip, and yeah, I already got my outfit ready, and that's my luggage. So I also got a new gimbal or slash tripod. I'll be bringing this along. Hopefully I get to film more stuff. There'll be lots to film, lots to see, lots to eat, and we'll have a lot of fun. So I'm super excited. See you guys tomorrow. If you haven't already, do check out my previous vlog.
Okay, very excited.
It's currently 9 and we're walking back to the hotel from Petaling Street. The longan drink there was good. Before that, we went to Pavilion Mall. We had dinner over there. So yeah, that is the end of day 1. Tomorrow we'll be taking the train early in the morning to Penang. Then we'll be changing to a bus. Then we'll be going to Thailand. And we'll be spending like 2-3 days there, and we'll be going back via a plane. Very excited for tomorrow. See you guys!
dinner coming to
Alright, yeah. So first up, we got these like big ass prawns that I see everywhere. The heads of the prawns are like massive. Then we got some grilled meat, and yeah, there was live music, and there were like just like a bunch of kids playing music. Kind of cute, very cute. Yeah, and fruits in Thailand are always like so sweet for no reason. I love. And then we decided to cop some grilled squid. I don't actually know whether they're squid, but basically this guy grills it for you, puts sauce, and it goes like ew, 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 and he stretches it out really long for you. Then I saw this beautiful smoothie store and this kueh store that sold like desserts and stuff, but I didn't have any space in my tummy. Shit, man, if only I could be like Zermatt Neo or something. We decided to cop some small and large intestines. If you're a texture eater like me and you love innards and all that, you would absolutely love this. Delicious, but not for everybody. Roasted pork. I love crispy as roasted pork. And yeah, this was amazing. Crispy as hell. And it was like super cheap also. This is a must get, y'all. Then we continue exploring and walking around. There are lots of stores, but unfortunately, we did not have the tummy space for it no more. So we just walked around. I saw a lot of grilled meat, and I even saw like freaking fresh ass seafood, which is crazy at a freaking night market. But yeah, lots of good food that the tummy couldn't fit. Then I saw this beautiful dessert store selling beautiful cakes and desserts. Just look at this, and they were all like around 20 baht only, which is less than $1 Singapore. Absolutely crazy cheap. And if you haven't already tried Thailand roti, they usually put it with like banana and egg. It's actually so good. I know it's like an abomination to like the traditional roti prata, but you should try it out. First up is the roasted pork. This is what I'm saying. This is what I'm talking about. The skin's so freaking crispy and a good amount of fat and meat. Oh, the ratio is just awesome. Out of this world. Must try. And I especially love the pork belly with a good amount of fat and crispy skin. Check it out. Next up is the small intestine. I kept looking around because there was a freaking stray dog just staring down at us. It was actually so scary. But anyway, back to the freaking small intestine. It was delicious. If you're an innards person like me, you would love. I actually prefer the small intestine over the large intestine. They kind of taste the same because the sauce and everything is the same. But texture-wise, small intestine on top. Oh, and this is the intestine of a pig, by the way. Yep. This was our spread. We got roasted pork, grilled intestines. We got 2 cake roll things and 2 desserts. Success!
Okay.
Yai. Mga dulu hitam cup kalau apa lagi. Tapi kalau buat main, dengan kami main ni, pada main begitu. Mau ni ngaco itu.
Nom 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 nom. I'm a fatty nom 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 nom.